अमित आयज तुम्ही जेनिफर मंजराताच्या अंतिम दर्शनाक तुम्ही गेल्ले आयज सो तिच्या बद्दल
It's a sad day. Basically, she was the first female MLA of Taligaon constituency. आणि म्हाका दिसता एक डेडिकेटेड डिवोटेड लीडर फॉर द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव. म्हाका याद जाता हर पॅशन टुवर्ड्स मोटर स्पोर्ट्स 2018 जेन्ना RFC हांगा जाताले तेन्ना होल डे आय हॅव सीन हर स्टँडींग देर and enjoying that motorsports. So I think today people of Taligaon has lost a good leader. 2012तल्यान ती हांगा आमदार 2019 ती मंत्री जाली where she was handling IT portfolio, labor portfolio आणि म्हाका दिसता त्या वेळाचेर she had done a good job. I think this is a loss for the people of Goa, people of Taligaon especially. आणि जर आज आमी पळयत जाल्यार ज्या प्रमाणे आज लोक हांगा आयल्या, that shows that the affection, the love she gave to the people of Taligaon. So I think it's a big loss that a good leader, because of the illness, prolonged illness, she passed away yesterday. Heartfelt condolences to her family and all her loved ones and all the people whom she had shown their love.